my little friends, how are you all? Welcome you to a new session. So we will sing a song together. Say hello, say hello, say hello, how are you? I'm fine, I'm fine. Tell me how about you? All are good? Excited? Okay. So, are you ready to visit the wonderland of addition with me? Okay, without delay, then let's start today's session. Okay, so today's session is on addition. How many types of addition you can do? That's why it's written, let's operate addition. Different ways are there, so there are many rules. So how you are going to solve the addition problem? There are many rules, so we are going to find out. So before that, I'm going to tell you, I have so many addition videos, like starting picture addition, that is flashcards, then number line addition, okay, then adding with 1, adding with 0, adding with 2. So I will give you the link and you can go and check. Okay, and if you are new to our channel, then please like, share and subscribe. Okay, so the first rule of addition is additive identity rule. What is additive identity? Additive identity is a number which, when added to any number, gives the sum as the number itself. Okay, like adding 0. By adding 0, the number's value or identity cannot be changed. Okay, that's why it's written the rule additive identity. Here it's written 2 plus 0 equals 2. The number's identity or value is not changing. Here 0 plus 5 equals 5. Okay, so the number 5's value is not changing. So the rule is 0 plus a equals a. A means any number. Okay, it may be 2, it may be 5, it may be 15. Okay, so the second one is commutative law. So what commutative law is? Here it's written a plus b equals b plus a, means it's flip-flop, order changed but output is same. Okay, so here numbers order has been changed, like a plus b. Here a is on left hand side and b is on right hand side. Now here b is on left hand side and a is on right hand side. Their order has been changed but the value is same. Here is the example, you can see. Okay, you can see in the picture there are 4 apples plus 2 apples is 6. Okay, so there are 6 apples. Now here the order has been changed. 2 apples plus 4 apples equals 6. So the commutative law is a plus b equals b plus a. Okay, flip-flop. Now it's horizontal addition. Okay, so the third rule is horizontal addition. Like I said earlier in the video, we have done number line addition. Okay, so here if there are given only one digit, like here 4 is a one digit number, 2 is a one digit number, so we can, so here it's a number line. Again I am writing 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, so first we will go to 4, then 4 plus 2 it's written, so we will go 1 and 2, so its value is 6, right? So 4 plus 2 is 6, or else it's a small number, you can add it with your fingers also. Okay, now here 2 plus 3, tell me, you can add it with your finger or by number line, but the rule is that one digit number we can write it like this. This is horizontal. Okay, so 3 plus 2 or 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, now 8 plus 5, tell me. Yes, 8 plus 5 is 13. Okay, now 3 plus 5 or 5 plus 3. Okay, you can take always the greater number. Okay, so it is easy to solve. Okay, 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay, now all these you are going to solve and tell me. Okay, so this is the rule, horizontal addition we are doing for one digit. Okay, now column addition and regrouping. Okay, column means we are writing like this, more than one digit numbers. We are going to solve the problem like this. We can write these numbers or the problem like this, then we are going to solve it. Okay, so here it's written 18 plus 14. Okay, so how you are going to solve it? So we are going to write here tens place, ones place. Okay, now we are going to regroup. How we are going to regroup? Like here it's written 8 plus 4, so we are going to add it here. Okay, 8 plus 4 is equals, tell me, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So again we got two digit number. So how we are going to write it? So tens place, ones place, we are going to group it, and we are going to take the ones place number because it is the ones place. Okay, so what we are going to write here? 2. So what left in tens place? 1 left. So we are going to write it here. Okay, so we are going to add it. 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, understood? So are you having fun? Okay, so give me a thumbs up. So likewise you are going to solve all these. Okay, this is for you. Okay, you are going to solve this. Like I said, how you are going to regroup it. Okay, now the column addition, but with regrouping with tens. Like here it's written 38 plus 93. Okay, so how we are going to do it? 38 means 38 means 30 plus plus 8. Thirty plus 8. Why? Because 3 tens value is 30, 8 ones value is 8. Okay. Now we are going to write 93. So tell me how I am going to write it, expand it. Yes, you guys are too smart. So first we are going to write 90 plus tell me. Yes, 90 plus 3. So we are going to add first the tens place. Okay, 30 plus 90, we are going to add it. Okay, tell me. 9 plus 3, because ones place there is only 0. 0 means nothing. So we are going to add the tens place numbers. 9 plus 3 is, tell me, 10, 11, yes, 12. So we will get, what we will get? 120. Okay, so we will get 120. Now it's the time of ones place. 8 plus 3. Okay, 8 plus 3 is, tell me. Yes, 11. So we are going to add it. Okay, 120 plus 11. So first we are adding ones place number. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 2 plus 1 equals 3. And 1 plus nothing means 0 equals 131. So it is fun or not? So these are some rules you are going to follow, and you can easily solve any kind of addition. Okay, I hope you guys learn so many things today. So it's time for goodbye. Okay, we will meet in the next session. Thank you my little friends. Okay, please like, share and subscribe. Okay, it will motivate me. Okay.